Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. It's called Spreadshirt, like you see with me here. So before we start, let me give you a short idea about this website. So Spreadshirt is an online marketplace and custom printing platform that allows individuals and businesses to design, create, and sell their own custom products. So to get started with Spreadshirt, simply head on over to Spreadshirt or Spreadshirt.com. This is all the results over here and Google, of course. So you need to click on this website here, Spreadshirt Print on Demand platform. Okay, now we are on the present page. Okay, yeah, like you see me here, we have create now t-shirts, hoodies. There's a lot of items to create and sell and buy on this website, Spreadshirt. So we will come back to this page later after we create an account. You have here two choices. You want to log in with your email, or you want to log in with your Facebook. Want to shop, register now, or if you want to sell, you will become a partner. So let's try to sell, okay? Because this is very easy to create an account for shopping. Let's try this one, become a partner. We have two plans here. Spread shop and spread shirt. Okay, let's try on this one. There's different services that they present to you. Okay, now let's try to write an email and confirm it. And you need to confirm that you are not a robot. Select all the images with traffic lights. Okay, I think that's it. Verify. And that you accept the partner terms and acknowledge for privacy policy and get started. I'll get around in the password. Let's try now. Welcome to your partner area. Upload your design, create your product, and sell them to your target group. Your checklist. Okay. Now this is the setting of our account. Your feed name. And the search password, the new password. This is our spread ID. Okay, this is all setting right here. Let's click on continue. And then you will just choose one of fish in your document and just put it over here. So this is all the setting that we need to put in our email or Spreadshirt email. Now let's come back to present page to know more about this website. And also the Spreadshirt, it's present to you customization options. Yeah, it enables users to design and customize their products using a variety of tools and features, and customers can upload their own artwork and add text, choose from a library of graphics and adjust placement and sizing. And yeah, like I said before, you can arrange your products over here. This Spreadshirt offers a diverse range of products to choose from, including t-shirts, hoodies, uh, tank top, hats, bags, mugs, phone cases, and more. Customers can explore different size and colors to find the perfect fit for their needs. And also it's present to you the print on demand. It's similar to Society 6. I have already done it in my channel. The Spreadshirt operates on a print on demand model. Once a customer places an order, the product is produced and shipped individually, eliminating the need for inventory management and allowing for flexibility and customization and design choices. And yeah, I can also tell you that we have on this side the online shop creation. The Spreadshirt provides users with the ability to create their own online shop, like we said before, and the sellers can set up storefronts, showcase their design, and promote their products. This feature is especially useful for individuals or businesses looking to establish their brand and sell their merchandise. Let's try like example with yeah, baby clothing. And for the quality and the printing techniques, it's this website emphasizes the quality of its products. They use professional grade printing techniques to ensure accurate reproduction of design on various items. This attention to quality helps to ensure customer satisfaction. Like you see with me here, there's some baby clothes. You will click just here to see all the results. Here you can filter the size, color, the print, etc. So this is our website today. If you understand, please follow for more and subscribe. And like usual guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.